Egg waffle recipe. Check out these 4 recipes. 1. Fluffy waffle recipe. Prep time 5 minutes, cook time 10 minutes, total time 15 minutes. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons granulated sugar, 4 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 1½ cups milk, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Preheat waffle iron. Gently coat with non-stick baking spray. 2. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Use the back of a spoon to create a well in the center. 3. Whisk the 2 eggs into the milk until well combined. 4. Pour the wet ingredients, butter, milk, egg mixture, vanilla, into the well of the dry ingredients and whisk until blended. Note: the batter will be slightly lumpy. Do not overmix. 5. Scoop the batter into the preheated waffle iron and cook until the waffles are golden brown and crisp, about 2 to 3 minutes, but this will vary widely depending on your waffle maker. 6. Serve immediately or lay on a wire cooling rack until cool. Store leftovers in an airtight bag in the freezer. 2. Loaded egg bacon cheese waffles. Prep time 10 minutes, cook time 15 minutes, total time 25 minutes. Ingredients: 6 eggs, 1/4 cup milk, 3 1/4 cup Hungry Jack complete Belgian waffle mix, 2 cups water, 6 slices bacon cooked and crumbled, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. Instructions: in a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together eggs and milk. Heat skillet over medium-low heat and scramble eggs. Remove from heat. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together waffle mix and water until smooth. Mix in eggs, bacon, and cheese. Prepare waffle maker according to manufacturer's directions. Pour about 2 cups of batter into waffle maker. Close and cook according to manufacturer's direction. Serve with hot syrup. 3. Apple fritter waffles. Ingredients: 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of salt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, half a cup milk, 1/4 cup melted butter, half a cup diced apples. Instructions: 1. Whisk together flour, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together egg, sugar, milk, and butter. 3. Blend the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. 4. Fold the diced apples into the batter. 5. Lightly coat a waffle iron with cooking spray. 6. Ladle batter into the iron and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. 7. Whisk together ingredients for the glaze in a bowl and drizzle over hot waffles. 4. Leftover stuffing waffles. Ingredients: 4 cups crumbled leftover stuffing, 2 large eggs, chicken broth or turkey stock as needed, leftover cranberry sauce for serving, leftover gravy for serving. Instructions: 1. Preheat the waffle baker and grease it with cooking spray. 2. In a large bowl, stir together the leftover stuffing and eggs. Add 1/4 cup of chicken broth and mix until well combined. Continue adding chicken broth as needed until the mixture is well moistened. 3. Scoop half of the stuffing mixture into the prepared waffle baker, spreading it evenly. The stuffing will not spread or expand like regular waffle batter as it bakes, so it's important to arrange it in an even, thin layer. Close the lid and let the waffle bake until golden brown and the egg is cooked throughout. 4. Transfer the waffle to a serving plate, then repeat the filling and baking process with the remaining stuffing. Serve the waffles with leftover cranberry sauce and warm leftover gravy. Kelly's Notes: this recipe for leftover stuffing waffles works best with basic stuffings that don't include large pieces of vegetables or meats such as sausage. It also helps to warm the stuffing slightly prior to mixing it with the eggs and broth so that the mixture is easier to stir. Don't repeatedly open the waffle baker while the waffle is baking or it'll lose its shape. Stuffing waffles take longer to cook than regular waffles as the egg must be completely cooked throughout. Don't be afraid to let the waffle bake until it's golden brown and crispy.